Hello everyone, I am Devi and today I'm gonna show you two easy nail art design, and for that you're just gonna need a dotting tool or a toothpick. Let's start painting nails. Start with applying base coat to your nails and let it dry completely. Then paint your nail with pink and grey color nail polish and let it dry completely. To make the polka dot design, you need to make a straight dotted line in the middle and two more dotted lines on each side. And that's it for design number 1. For design number 2, make 4 dots in the shape of square with pink color and make 1 dot with white color in the center of 4 dots to complete the flower. And in the end, apply top coat to seal your design. That's it for today. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.